Evercoat's Fiberfill 4:1 is a fiber-reinforced polyester primer surfacer that is ideal for applications that require a durable undercoat. Fiberfill has excellent filling capability and can be used to hold down troublesome repairs on a variety of substrates. This video will cover the approved substrates, recommended cleaning procedures, application recommendations, mixing, and finishing techniques. Fiberfill 4:1 passes 500 hours in salt spray tests, ASTM B117, and can be applied over properly sanded and cleaned bare metal. It is compatible with waterborne paint systems and is VOC compliant. Because Fiberfill passes the ASTM B117 testing for corrosion protection, it does not require an epoxy or self-etch pre-coat. Fiberfill 4:1 can be used on fiberglass, sheet-molded composite, rigid plastics, bare metal, aluminum, e-coat, and polyester filler and putties. Do not use over single-component primers. It is ideal for priming over checkered fiberglass, stress cracks, and other surface imperfections such as properly prepared weathered metal. Begin by cleaning the surface with a quality wax and grease remover. When cleaning fiberglass or SMC panels, use acetone to clean the surface when the fibers are visible. If the panel was repaired following the recommended Evercoat process and cleaned prior to the repair process, continue on to the next step and feather edge the clear coat with 320 grit. Then remove the dust with clean compressed air or an alcohol wipe if you prefer. For bare metal, clean the panel with a wax and grease remover and sand with 180 to 220 grit. Then clean to remove sanding residue. Apply Fiberfill to bare steel immediately to avoid flash rusting. Stir the primer thoroughly before mixing. And manually shake Evercoat 4:1 Polyester Primer Catalyst number 733 or Fast 4:1 Polyester Primer Catalyst number 734 and pour into a graduated mixing cup that is marked for 4:1 mixing. Fiberfill 4:1 can also be mixed on a paint scale by parts and by weight. For more information, go to evercoat.com to download a mixing chart. After Fiberfill 4:1 has been mixed, you will have a working pot life of 40 minutes at 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius when mixed with number 733 catalyst, or 25 minutes when mixed with number 734 catalyst. But due to temperature variations, avoid leaving Fiberfill 4:1 in the spray gun beyond 25 minutes. When spraying Fiberfill 4:1, use a gravity feed spray gun with a 2.0 fluid nozzle or larger, and spray at your paint gun manufacturer's recommended air pressure. Generally speaking, for an HVLP gun, apply at 8 to 10 psi at the air cap or 40 to 50 psi at the gun. Apply 2 to 3 medium wet coats over the repair and into the feather edge clear, allowing 5 to 10 minutes flash time between coats. Use this same process for pre-painted, bare metal panels, and fiberglass surfaces. Begin by sanding with 180 grit. Then sand with 220 to 320 grit. Finish sand and coat according to your paint manufacturer's recommendations. For more information on Evercoat's Fiberfill 4:1 Polyester Primer or other Evercoat products, contact your local Evercoat distributor or go to evercoat.com for more information.